So let's talk about what auto insurance coverages do you need for your mental health or your substance use disorder program. First, you have to answer the question of whether or not you own a vehicle. If you don't own any vehicles, you still need to be looking at hired and non-owned auto liability, which is coverage for rented vehicles or non-owned vehicles that you use to run your programming. Depending on how you deliver your services, maybe counselors are driving people to and from AA meetings. If you're doing that, there's a list of things you need to be doing to protect yourself. But look at hired and non-owned auto coverage. If you own the vehicles, you need auto liability coverage, and you need at least $1 million. Big reason for that is one of the quickest way you're going to have a multi-million-dollar claim in your programming is if you've got 4 people in a van and it's on the highway and it's in a terrible accident and everybody's hurt or killed. So don't short shrift yourself on the auto liability limits. It's really expensive. There's a reason it's really expensive. Don't short shrift yourself. If it's a newer vehicle, you should be looking at comprehensive coverage for the vehicle, which is coverage for if a deer runs into it, if it's stolen, flood. And then you also need to be looking at collision coverage. So collision coverage protects your vehicle if you're at fault in the accident. And lastly, you need to be looking at towing coverage, which is going to help you tow the vehicle away if you're in an accident, and rental reimbursement, which is going to pay for the rental car if you need to go to Enterprise or Hertz or Avis and any of one of those other rental car agencies that you may need to go to. So there you go. If this is making you ask some questions about your current insurance program and broker relationship, you want to talk to somebody with experience in your field, please request a quote at www.bitnerhenry.com. I'm Daryl Henry. I'm with Bitner Henry Insurance Group, and we serve those who serve others.